Hi, Casper here. In this video I would like to demonstrate to you how I would go about to attach a file like your newsletter to the Miller's post. First thing I would do is I would of course go to Miller's post, just click on the line, wait for it to open, and this is where we would update all the news for Whitney Mills Bowls Club. Right, next thing I would do is obviously to be able to maintain anything or change this page, you will have to log in, and you have to be an editor to be able to edit the page. So I'm just going to log in here at the moment. Right, and as you can see, I'm now logged in. You can see member login. Hi Casper, there I am. So I am logged in at the moment. What I now, of course, it takes me to my details page where I can change whatever I need to change. But what I want to do is I want to change the Miller's post. Click on the button, takes me to the page, and you will notice that there is a little icon sitting here that you could click on to be able to edit the article, as you can see on the little pop-up that came when you hovered over the thing. I now just clicked on it and I'm just waiting for it to open the editor for me. Right, so the editor I am using is quite a nice little editor. It works very well. It's a little bit slow, but there you go. It works very well, this editor. I like it. It's got only one problem though, and the problem is that you can't really use this editor to attach a file. The reason for that is you need to set up a link to that file once you put in a description, and that is what I will demonstrate to you. So to edit this page, what I will do is firstly I will make my editor space a little bit larger by clicking on that icon there, which gives me a nice big space to work in, as you can see. Next thing I'll do is I will put in my text. Now the easier way to put in the text and to keep the format of the text the same as have been done over here, I would highlight this, Control C to copy, put my cursor over there, Control V to paste, and there you can see I have now simply copied what I had there onto there. So all I now need to do is to change it. Now first thing I do is I take the 7 out, change it by 9, then I would say click here to read the April 2011 newsletter. Right, so next thing I need to do is I need to I want to take that word here, highlight it, and I want to link that to the document that needs to be linked to. So I click on that icon that says link, as you can see. It comes up with a pop-up screen which I could use to fill in the details, but as you can see on this, there is no way that you can upload the file from your local PC to the server, and that was what makes this editor the only problem really that I found with this editor. But there's a way around it. All we do is let's just cancel that, click on that button again just so you can get all the whole screen back, and I'm going to save it at this moment, but you can see there's nothing linked yet, but I'm going to save it so I don't lose that information. the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get myself another editor to work with. So I'll go back to my details. This screen. I can actually change things about me, and you can see the editor I'm using is the C-Edit CK editor. I'm going to change that to another one. I like JCE as well, so I'll just use that, save that information, and you could do the same. You could also choose that editor. It is available to any editor to use. Then I go back to the Miller's post, find the change that I wanted to make. First I need to go into the editor to be able to do that. I have clicked on it, so I'm just waiting for the editor to start. Looks really bad, but there you are. It's a little bit slow this morning. Now you will see there's a slight difference to this editor than you have to the other editor, but you can also see that if I can just quickly find the icon, that is the icon that I want to use to be able to link to. It is grayed out at the moment because I haven't highlighted that yet. So once I highlight the word that I want to link to the document, I actually click on Insert or Edit a Link. We really want to insert the link. Wait for it to come up. Right, so next thing I want to do is I want to, if you look there, I want to browse to find the document that I want to link to. So I click on Browse. It opens another pop-up window. Right, and here is a directory called Files. So if I click on Files, I should find the file that I want to link to it. But we have not uploaded the file yet. It is still on my C drive at the moment. So what I need to do is I need to click on Upload, on that little icon that says Upload. Get another pop-up window. I click on Add because in this box I want to add the file that I want to upload. I go to my C drive, as you can see there, and now I need to find the document which I previously, of course, downloaded from your email onto my C drive. So I'm just going to go there quickly, see if I can find it. Website stuff, documents, and find the file. There you go. That's the Word document, Miller's Post, April 2011 docs. So I highlight it, I click on Open. It did put it into that box for me. I now say Upload it, and it will upload it into the Files folder because I did choose the Files folder to start with. So just waiting for it to finish. The tick came in. It means that that was successful. So if I now close that box, you will find the file sit there. There's the file that I just uploaded, and this is on the server, the web server. And all I need to do now is I need to click on Insert to insert it onto the system. Right, just before I do that, there you can see that the file we want to insert is that file that was now uploaded. Another thing I want to do is, of course, I don't want the document to open in the same screen. I want to actually ask it to open in a new window. So I just choose Open a New Window, and now when I click on Insert, you will find that it has made a link to that document at that space. The only thing I now need to do is just to save my article, the Miller's Post, by clicking on the save button, and there you go. That's how simple it is. So any user that goes onto the website now will be able to just click on that link. You can see it changes to be clicked on. Click on the link and it opens a new. You need to click on open, of course, and it will open the document for you to read, the Miller's Post. Let's just see what happens. Should pop up now. There's your document. Right, I hope this video illustrates very nicely how it is possible for you to be able to edit using the editors, and of course to link a file using a different editor. If your editor doesn't work, use another editor. You can stick with that editor. You can go back to the other editor. I must say I do like the other editor more for the general mill of the things to do. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you have any problems, just drop me an email and I will let you know how I can help you further. Bye.